What is up, everybody? So have you ever seen a neon sign and you thought to yourself, as an artist, how would I recreate this effect using paint? How would I get this nice glow that neon signs have, but with paint? Well, today, artists, I'm going to show you how exactly I did it for this painting right here, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve the same results. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And now we can get into that tutorial. All right, so the colors I'm going to be using for this demonstration are yellow ochre, cadmium orange hue. So this is a really transparent orange. Cadmium red, medium. Cadmium yellow, medium. Now with these two, I'm going to mix my orange, and it's going to be a darker orange. Oh yeah, one more thing. Also going to be using titanium white. Now I did do a test run of my colors and how they mix together. Now the orange right here is the orange hue, the cadmium orange hue. It was a little bit too light when I put it on the canvas. I had a lot of problems blending it and having it be opaque because it's a hue, so it's going to be very transparent. That's why I'm going to be mixing my own orange. So when you're doing your color swatch and transition, your test run, you want to make sure you have your mixed cadmium yellow and cadmium red to make your cadmium orange. And for the brushes, I'm going to be using my flat, my blender, and my round brush. So now when I mix these two, my goal is to get something a little bit darker than the cadmium orange hue, which goes on very transparent and takes a lot to make it opaque. So I'm just gonna mix something that's gonna be a bit darker. I want it maybe a bit more on the red side. All right, so I just mixed my orange. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's begin. So I go in with that yellow ochre right on the outer edges, get in that nice dark area. Then I'm gonna go in with my cadmium yellow, just get a little bit closer to the letters. Then I take the blender brush, just kind of smooth everything out. Now that cadmium orange mix, this is what I'm going in with next. Then I just take a bit of that cadmium orange hue, going in with the round brush. Then I take a little bit of the cadmium yellow, start filling it in, blending it in, just to see how the glow kind of comes together. Then I'm going to take more cadmium yellow and then blend it in some more. Now you really start to see it come together, and then I take that blender brush again, smooth everything out. Now after leaving it for a day to dry, I go in with the white and I just mix it in a bit. One thing to keep in mind is that when you're doing this neon glow or any type of glow, you want the darkest part to be on the outer edge, and as you work towards the middle, that's when it's going to get light. Now for when you're filling in your white highlight, it works best when the area is kind of tacky and you get that nice area of it being smooth and a bit dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.